Time now for an in-depth look at the market news this afternoon, and for that I'm joined on the line by Dr. Kim Sei-wan, professor of economics at Ewha Womans University. Professor Kim, good afternoon. Thank you for coming on today.
Good afternoon, Devin.
Well, we now have the minutes from last month's meeting of the Fed Open Markets Committee, and it shows some members say they'll be open to discussions about tapering in future meetings. And that means, of course, less bond buying as the economy recovers. Officials still think that the inflation we see now will be temporary. So tell us what you make of this news from the Fed.
We can say that all participants in the global financial market are watching U.S. inflation because it is the largest concern of the global financial market and economy. Actually, U.S. inflation stayed around 1% level per year all last year. But U.S. inflation is increasing quickly from the beginning of this year. April, actually, inflation increased up to 4.2% from previous month. March is 2.6% inflation. Under this rapidly rising inflation situation, U.S. Fed still maintains their views that rising inflation will be temporary, and there's no reason for Fed to change their zero interest rate policy. Under these circumstances, according to April's FOMC session minutes released on Wednesday, Fed people said strong inflation and economic activity can be led to tightening monetary policy. So we can expect that if inflation over 2% continues until the end of this summer, a tapering of 120 billion bond purchase every month in the U.S. will be closer.
Right, we'll have to keep a close eye on that for sure. And let's turn to the markets. Stocks on Wall Street were down for a third session in a row on Thursday. The Dow by about 0.5%, but less of a decline on the NASDAQ, which is full of tech stocks, of course. That was basically unchanged. So what's the story in the global markets?
U.S. market had a big swing on Wednesday. In the morning session, both of Dow Jones and NASDAQ dropped over 1.5%. But as the minutes of FOMC meeting is released in the afternoon, U.S. market recovered a little bit with negative returns. Dow Jones dropped by 0.5%, and NASDAQ stayed even with 0% changes. European markets over Paris, London, and Frankfurt also dropped over 1% yesterday due to increasing concerns of inflation.
Well, today in Korea, quite a similar story to Wall Street. The Kospi off about 0.3%, but the tech-heavy Kosdaq actually posting a slight gain. It looks like retail investors seeing a chance to buy while others were selling. Tell us about the local market.
Today's domestic market is much affected by yesterday's U.S. market drop, but the market were mixed between Kospi and Kosdaq today. Kospi dropped by 0.3%, but Kosdaq gained by 0.2% today. In Kospi market, institutional investors and foreign investors' sales led the decline of the market. The Kosdaq market's rise was driven by individual investors and foreign investors' purchase.
Right. On the screen there, it says minus 0.2%, but of course it was a gain of 0.2% on the Kosdaq. And now let's turn to some alternative assets. The price of gold has risen quite a bit in the past few months, now about the highest it's been this year. Seems like some investors are looking to hedge against inflation. On the other hand, there's been a meltdown, as we just discussed, in the cryptocurrency space over the past week. So what do you see happening with these alternative assets?
These days, I think cryptocurrency investors assume that gold and cryptocurrencies are substitutable assets to each other. So as inflation pressure is intensified all over the world, the gold price increased because gold is one of the best hedges against the inflation. Gold price is also affected by a series of collapses in cryptocurrency markets these days. As we talked about, the particularly young cryptocurrency investors believe that these two assets of the gold and cryptocurrencies are substitutable assets to each other. U.S. gold price increased up to $1,867 per ounce yesterday, which is the highest level in the last 4 months. Also, as Chinese government decided to regulate cryptocurrency market more heavily, there will be stronger demand for gold with higher price for this month.
Yeah, that does seem to be the situation that's playing out, Professor. All right, we'll have to leave it there for today. Thank you so much for sharing your insights with us, as always.
Thank you very much.